How to solve TeraBox app network connection no internet problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that your TeraBox app is updated to its latest version. So just go to TeraBox and make sure that it is updated. Now as you can see, it is already updated to its latest version. I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of the TeraBox application. So next step, what we can do is go to the settings of the device and then scroll down and you can see the option of apps. Tap on that, then tap on manage apps. After tapping on manage apps, just tap or search for the application on your search bar. Here I'm just going to search for TeraBox. So I'm just going to search. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll down and get the app. So here it is. Tap on that and scroll down and you can see the option of connection method. Tap on that. Make sure you enable both Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then tap on OK. Then you can go to the settings back again and you can see the option of SIM cards and mobile networks. Tap on that. After tap on a SIM card, then tap on access point names. Now make sure you reset this system and the point names. This can also help in solving your issue. Then afterwards, tap on your power button and then tap on reboot and restart your device. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.